In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design customer thank you on Klaviyo. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have a simple thank you email flow that automatically sends right after a customer places an order. This is a great way to confirm the purchase, show appreciation, and reinforce trust, all without manual work. Start by looking at the left sidebar in your Klaviyo dashboard and click Flows. Flows are automations that run based on customer actions, so this is where thank you emails belong. Next, click Create Flow. When the options appear, choose Create from Scratch. Building from scratch keeps things clean and focused, which is ideal for a straightforward post-purchase message. You will be prompted to name the flow. Type thank you, then click Create Flow. Naming it clearly helps you find it later, especially when you have multiple flows running. Now you will set the trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. Click Checkout, then select Placed Order as your trigger. This ensures the flow starts only after an order is successfully placed, which is exactly when a customer expects a confirmation and a thank you message. With the trigger in place, you will add the email that customers receive. Drag an email block and drop it directly under the trigger. Placing it right under the trigger means the email can go out immediately after the order event, which keeps the experience timely and consistent. Once the email block is added, click Configure Content, then click Edit. This will open the email editor where you can choose a design and customize the message. For speed and consistency, select a thank you template from the template library. These templates are built for post-purchase communication, so they typically include the right structure and tone. You can still adjust wording and branding later, but choosing a template gets you started quickly. When you are done, click Save and Exit to return to the flow canvas. Finally, set the flow to live. Switching to live activates the automation so it can begin sending to customers who place orders. That covers everything you need to know.